Hello everyone, this is Sadhna once again for Social Science and I welcome you all to SRBPS online classes. In today's video, we are going to learn about the municipal committee. In towns and cities, there are municipal committees which provide civic amenities to the people. The members of the municipal committee are elected by the people who are 18 years or above, and each elected member of the committee is called a councillor. The elected members choose a head from among themselves, and the head of the municipal committee is called the chairman. If we talk about the big cities, then in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, municipal committees are known as municipal corporations. And the head of a municipal corporation is called the mayor. Now, let us learn about some of the important functions of the municipal committee. These are providing safe drinking water. This is one of the function of municipal committee. Another function is making proper arrangements to keep the city neat and clean. Next is running primary schools for the children to provide primary education. Next is running training centers for women where they can learn sewing, embroidery and other useful skills. Next is running health centers and dispensaries. Another function is the registering of deaths and births in a particular area. Next function of municipal committee is building of parks and playgrounds. The building of roads and the repairing of roads is also one of the function of municipal committee. The installing of street lights is also the function of municipal committee. Another is organizing fairs and exhibitions for the people. Now, for doing all these activities, that means for performing all these activities, a municipal committee needs money. So from where they collect money? It collects money in the form of house tax, road tax, water tax and property tax. That means the municipal committee collects money in the form of tax that the common people used to pay to the government. Besides from the tax, the state government also provides funds to the municipal committees under various welfare schemes so that money can be utilized for providing civic amenities to the people.